This tutorial is going to teach you how to use the Shark FlexFusion. This is a new tool from Shark. It is so awesome. Cannot wait to show it to you. I have damp hair, put my products in. Tool, you can do it wet to dry and dry to wet. Wet to dry, extremely fast. It is made with heat protection in mind, so you can learn very easily how to style your hair on any given day, whether it's a wash day or a dry day, and you just need to take a dry style and get a salon looking blowout and go. Let's look at the tool. All tool, you can pick wet or dry. You control the heat and the airflow. And depending on the style that you want, the guide that comes in the box tells you which one is appropriate for each style. You line up the triangle on the device with the triangle on the attachment, and it slips in place. This is the focused hair dryer if you want to dry with a hairbrush or just a specific spot more focused. You can use it in wand mode, like this, or flex mode. This is an amazing tool. It uses the Kawanda effect. I'm going to put it on wet. Full speed. It grabs your hair and it wraps it around without any effort. You should leave it in about 10 seconds, and here's some other tips. When you see it's finishing, you just pull it straight down. You can leave it again a little halfway. And give it this full shot. This full shot button releases. It helps you. See how great that curls? I'm going to do this section here with this amazing Flex Style brush that is new with the Shark FlexFusion Flex Style. This tool will dry your hair and style your hair from dry to styled with these amazing tools that use air and less heat, which is better for your hair. It constantly re-regulates the temperature so you aren't damaging your hair. It's like 1,000 times per second. That's amazing. And this brush right here has great bristles that allow your hair to get maximum airflow without being tangled. And this particular part here is the new part that actually slides it in there for a real smooth finish. Volumize and dry, it's getting at the same time. This one section here. I love it. I love the extra volume. I did the first 2 wand passes without using the volumizing brush first. Very pretty, spirally. This one gives it a more wavy look. This section right here, I used the brush first, the smoothing and volumizing brush, and it gave it a nice volume. And then I went back and put some curls, all awesome within the same tool, all on the same base. Now I'm going to use the straightener on this side of my hair. You pop it on with the triangles matching and twist. It's on. Now, this is the air straightening device called the FlexFusion. Watch how it's going to dry and smooth and straighten my hair at the same time. Different look from this side, but you'll get to see both. An awesome new device that is all able to be used with the same one with the FlexFusion. Goes on straight like this. So it should be aligned with the buttons. You can see it drying, blowing the air away from the head. Drying and smoothing at the same time. Oh, it's so pretty. With one pass, you can see results. You can also control the ends by giving it a little bend, like you did with your straightener. Look how beautiful that is, all with a few passes in just a few minutes. It's made with ScalpShield, which is tested by dermatologists to keep from burning your scalp. These are my beautiful results. This side of my hair has been curled with the Shark Flex with the AirWands, making these beautiful wavy curls. You can make them tighter by leaving them in longer. I chose for a soft wavy look, and this side has been styled with the unique style heat dryer ceramic plate straightener at the same time. This is an awesome thing because one body for all these tools, and that cuts down on the cost, the amount of things you need to have in your beauty toolbox, as well as it's just very convenient. And this new FlexFusion, it is the hot new item this year, and it will be great for the holidays. Look how pretty the straight and sleek looks, and the curly, soft, wavy look that I chose to make with the AirWands. You can use all of your favorite products that are uniquely best for your hair with this tool. You will absolutely love it.